Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on 3rd Koniago Engineering. Today we will continue course about Solidworks motion study. This course reference from this book. In this video we will study about Solidworks Baseic Motion, and if you like my machine, you can buy my machine concept in Lynk ID. Link in description. And without wasting time, let's start it. Now we have assembly part like this. Go to motion study, change animation to basic motion, and now suppress this mat. See? And next step is insert a spring like this. Choose linear spring, click this face and this face for the spring parameters. Now in spring constant parameter, make 0.5 Newton millimeter like this, and the free length parameter insert 200 millimeter like this. See, in display, in this coil diameter insert 70 millimeter like this. And this for number of coil parameter insert 8, and for wire diameter insert 8.5 like this. See, and click OK. Now insert the gravity. We choose y-axis. See, y-axis, and click OK. Now insert contact, click all part like this, and click OK. And after that, calculate the basic motion. See? Maybe this disable. You can do like this. See? Make the duration is 15 seconds like this, and calculate. See, I think this is the end tutorial. Hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.